let's be honest, we're all using AI assistants. They're in our phones, our computers, our homes, and they make us incredibly efficient. There's just no question about it. But here's a thought. Are they actually making us any wiser? Or are they just quietly building an echo chamber around us? I mean, think about it. AI is pretty much baked into everything we do now. It helps us write, code, plan our day, all to save time. We've gotten really, really good at using it for peak productivity. But as this slide asks, is being efficient the only thing that matters? Is this amazing technology actually making us any better at, well, thinking? So let's move beyond just being productive. It's time to ask a much bigger and, frankly, a more important question about how this tech is shaping the quality of our decisions and ultimately our ability to succeed in the long run. And this really gets to the heart of the whole thing. We're at a serious crossroads. The very tools that are designed to help us could actually be holding us back. Our AI assistants can be these incredible partners that push us to be better, or they can turn into high-tech yes-men, just trapping us inside our own bubble. So, we're facing a choice, whether we realize it or not. A choice between two very, very different futures. The AI as a true partner, or the AI as a comfortable echo chamber. It's a classic double-edged sword, and it all comes down to how we decide to use it. So first, let's talk about the ideal, the dream scenario, right? The wise partner. Now imagine an AI that doesn't just do what you tell it. Instead, it pulls together all kinds of information to find insights you might have missed, and it actually pushes you towards smarter, more sustainable goals. So what does that actually look like in real life? Well, on a daily basis, it's an assistant that doesn't just give you the fastest route to work. It finds you one that's faster, better for the planet, and saves you some cash. It's thinking bigger. Okay, now let's scale that up. Think about your workplace. A wise partner AI could analyze your office's energy use and give you specific, actionable recommendations to cut costs and slash your environmental footprint. Good for the bottom line and good for the world. And at the highest level, the strategic level, it could look at your investment portfolio. It could flag companies whose shaky sustainability practices might make them a really risky bet down the road. You see? This isn't just about scheduling your meetings anymore. It's about building real, long-term value. But here's the other side of the coin, the danger. See, most AI is designed to do one thing really well, learn what we like and give us more of it. Which is awesome if you're building a music playlist, but for our thinking, it is absolutely deadly. This is what creates the echo chamber. It filters out anything different and just keeps feeding us what it knows we already believe. And when you put them side by side, the difference is just, wow. It's so stark. One path leads you to brand new ideas, challenges you, and helps you build lasting success. The other path, it filters out reality, reinforces your biases, and just leaves you oblivious to what's really going on in the world. This quote just nails the danger perfectly. When your AI only tells you what you want to hear, you become an expert, sure, but an expert in a room that gets smaller and smaller every single day, until you're totally cut off from what really matters. Now, I want to be clear, this isn't just some nice-to-have personal development thing. For anyone leading a business or a team, breaking out of this echo chamber isn't just a good idea, it is a strategic necessity. It's about survival. And that's because many experts argue that the true purpose of technology shouldn't just be to make a profit. It should be to enhance the things that make us human. Our ability to think for ourselves, our appreciation for different views, and our desire to do things for the greater good. And trust me, this has a direct impact on your bottom line. Any business that loses its critical edge, that becomes blind to what's happening in society, well, it's putting itself in serious danger. Real, lasting success comes from creating things wisely. Okay, so how do we actually fix this? The best part is the power is totally in our hands. We don't have to wait for developers to change the algorithms. It all comes down to how we decide to use the tools we already have. So here's your 4-step playbook to take back control. Ready? Here's how we build that smarter partnership. Number 1, actively seek discomfort. I'm serious. Go to your AI and ask it to argue against your best ideas. Find the flaws. Number 2, you have to be the critic. Never, ever just copy and paste. Treat what the AI gives you as a rough first draft, nothing more. Third, diversify. Don't just use one AI. And more importantly, read stuff you disagree with. Talk to people who don't think like you. And finally, number 4, demand transparency. Whenever you can, use tools that are open about where their data comes from. And hey, here is a fantastic, super practical way to start doing this today. The very next time you're working on a strategy, give your AI this exact prompt. Ask it, what are the 3 strongest arguments against what I'm doing? That one little shift in how you ask the question can be an absolute game changer. So, in the end, it really all comes down to this choice. Do you just want a tool that helps you tick things off your to-do list a little bit faster? Or do you want a partner that helps you become a genuine visionary? Because when you're a conscious, critical user of this technology, you can make sure that it's doing more than just making you efficient. You can turn it into a tool that helps you reach your full potential and become the visionary leader you were always meant to be. And so that leaves us with one final question. And this is one that only you can answer for yourself. When you really look at how you use AI every single day, which is it? Is it your wise partner or is it your echo chamber? The choice, as always, is yours.